It's a Q is a point on PT such that QT is equal to QR and that's equal to QP. So but see them put it on, them use the symbol to show that RQ is the same as QP, which is the same as QT. They give us that. So they're telling us that in triangle P, RQ is isosceles because PQ is QR and RQ is QT. And so this is also another isosceles triangle. So that's all they're telling us. Then they give us that the angle QRT is 76. Now look at this now. They gave us so much information. Now, since this side is equal to this side, then this angle is also 76 because this side corresponds to this angle and this side corresponds to this angle. But since this side and this side are equal in length, then they have equal corresponding angles. So this angle is also 76 degrees. Now it says find out angle RQT. RQT. RQT is this angle right here. Now angles in a triangle sum to 180. And so angle QRT is going to be easy to find. Let's do that now. Angle QRT is going to be equal to 180 minus, that's 76 plus 76. That's equal to 76 plus 76, and you subtract that from 180, that is 28 degrees. So angle RQT is 28 degrees. Now, since angle RQT is 28 degrees, give them the reason. This is because we can tell them that angle RTQ equal 76 degrees since RQT is an isosceles triangle. So angle RQT is equal to 28 degrees in order for the sum of angles to be 180 in the triangle. And that's the reason, nice and easy. So put it together like this. Now the next question what is angle PRT? PRT. So PRT, so angle PRT, this is PRT. All of this angle. So we need this little piece plus 76 to be PRT. So now let's see how we're going to do that. We know that this is another isosceles triangle. Now if this angle is 28, then we know the angles on a straight line is 180. So then we know that this angle is 180 minus 28. 180 minus 28 is 152. So this angle is 152. Now if this angle is 152 and this is an isosceles triangle, then this piece and this piece is the same. So this piece is 14 and this piece must also be 14. All right. And so the angle at R right here so is 90 degrees. Angle PRT is equal to 14 plus 76, which is 90 degrees. So angle PRT is equal to 14 plus 76, which is equal to 90 degrees. Now to tell them the reason now is you're going to start by telling them angles on a straight line is 180 degrees, and so angle PQR is equal to, angle PQR is clearly equal to 152 because angles on a straight line is 180. Then the next thing you're going to tell them is that since PRQ is isosceles, then angle PQ, then angle PRQ is equal to angle QPR, which is equal to 14 degrees. Then finally, you can tell them that, so angle PRT is equal to 14 degrees plus 76 degrees. All right, and that gives us the 90. So that's the reason, just giving them the reason of why that is so nice and easy. Now finally, it says angle SPT. Find angle SPT. Given, oh, they give us two angles, so it says given that angle SRT is 145 and angle PSR is 100. So let's use those knowledge to our advantage. It tells us that angle SRT is 145. If SRT is 145, they're telling us that this angle out here is 100. Well, not 100, this is 90. So 145 minus 90. So this angle out here is 55. This angle out here so is 55. If that angle out there is 55 and PSR equal 100 degrees, PSR, so this angle is 100. All right, so if this is 100 and this is 55, then they're asking us to find angle SPT. SPT. Now angle SPT is all of this. So angle SPT is going to be this small angle plus 14 degrees. But this small angle is going to be 180 minus 155. 180 minus 155 is 180 minus 155. That's 25. So 25 plus 14 degrees, and that will give us angle SPT. So we can do that now. It's equal to 14 degrees plus 25, which is equal to 14 plus 25 is 39 degrees. And they ask for the reason. That's because angles in triangle, PSR are, the three angles in that triangle are 25, 100, and 55. And so angle SPT, which is going to be equal to angle SPR plus angle RPT. All right, so add up those two angles and so comes we get our 39 degrees. Nice and easy. And that's how we get 39 degrees. Soft. This question, so soft, so easy, so nice. And that's the first part of question 5. Now question 5 part B, it's going to be transformation. So let's look at the transformation question now. It says describe completely the transformation that maps triangle ABC to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. In order to do these questions, I love to look at coordinates to find out what was happening. Clearly it looked like a 90-degree rotation in the clockwise direction. All right, clockwise going around here. Clearly look like 90-degree rotation, but I don't like to speculate. I like to look at what's happening. So this is a point A. Point A is -4, -4, and -4 is the x coordinate and y is 1. And then A prime is going to become, A prime go to 1, 4. All right, A prime is 1, 4. All right. Now, there's an easy way to find out rotation. All right. There's an easy way to find out which rotation it is using the rotation matrix. It's just so easy. The rotation matrix or the transformation matrix is given by r of theta is equal to cos theta, sin theta, cos theta, sin theta, sin theta, cos theta, sin theta, sin theta, minus cos theta. This is a rotation matrix. All right. So now, cos minus sine, then sine, then cos. This is a rotation matrix. Now, if we put in theta as 90 degrees, we get cos 90. Cos of 90 is 0. Cos of 90 is 0. Then sine 90 is 1, so we get minus 1. Sine 90 is 1. And the cos of 90 is 0. All right, so 0, -1, 1, 0. If you multiply this, if you multiply -4, 1 times this, if you're to go ahead and multiply -4 times 1, -4, 1 times this, you're going to get 0 times -4 is 0. -1 times 1 is -1. Now it's not -1, it's +1. So this is not the correct matrix. So it's not a 90-degree clockwise rotation, but 90 degrees anti-clockwise rotation. 90 degrees anti-clockwise rotation because the translation matrix instead will be 0, 1, -1, 0. So it is a 90 degrees anti-clockwise rotation about the origin. So let's write that down. The transformation is a 90 degrees. It's a 90-degree anti-clockwise rotation about the origin 0, 0. That's all it is, a 90-degree anti-clockwise rotation about the origin. Nice and easy, soft. Then it says the translation vector t is equal to 4, -5 maps A, B, A prime, B prime, C prime to A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. Draw a triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. So the image is then translated by 4, -5. 4, -5 means it's going 4 units across to the right and 5 units down. So it goes 4 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so this will be A double prime. This is A double prime. B is going to go 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it go 5 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so this is B double prime. Then C is going to go 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's going to go 5 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. Then 5 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. This is 4, negative 5. Yes. Let me check this. From B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units down is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I put that the wrong spot. These put at the wrong spot. That's crazy. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 units down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is B prime. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. That's B prime and C double prime. And then of course, just connect them to show that it's a triangle, of course. You can't just leave it like that. Show that it's a triangle, man. That's it. Nice and easy, soft. That takes care of this question.